Tell me, if you were supposed to wake up at 6 in the morning and you wake up at 5:45, that is 15 minutes early of your time, will you go back to sleep or wake up and use that 15 minutes, use that early 15 minutes to do something more, to add up on your day? Or will you simply go back to sleep, risking that you may or may not wake up at 6 a.m.? Will you risk not waking up for hours, wasting your hours for 15 minutes of your sleep? Ask yourself right now. We all talk about success, we all talk about being the best, being on the top. If you want to be on the top, it will take time, it will take sacrifices, it will have risks. Are you taking it all? Are you going in? You can't be the best if you're still not in your beast mode. Get this clear. I've told you this many times. It's always you versus you. It is always you versus you. You are your advantage. Nobody can put you down. Nobody can stop you. It's always you. If you're broken, if you're down, if you feel rejected, if you feel that people are doubting you or people are talking behind your back, they are behind you. Just leave it, let go and move on. If they are doubting your words, trust me, they will have to believe in your actions. It's show time. Show them, prove them wrong. Whenever you feel down, whenever you think how far you can go, how far will you go, always remind yourself how far you have come. If you have come so far, you are gonna get it, you're gonna achieve it. So stop thinking about someone else. Stop thinking about some random person who is talking behind your back. If a person is putting second thoughts in your mind, if a person is doubting you, talking behind your back, that person is getting intimidated by you. You have to rise up and do your work, outwork everybody and show them how far you have come. Do not quit and make them all regret doubting you. Always have one-on-one battle with yourselves when you are in doubt. Always ask yourselves yes or no questions. Are you going to wake up early? Yes or no? Are you going to do better than yesterday? Yes or no? Do you want to be in the same place you are right now? Yes or no? Your target is to be in a better place every tomorrow than you are today. I hope the video was effective. Get on your beast mode and get your work done. This is the end of the video. I heard that the results came, so congratulations to all of you and all the best to those of you who have your exams coming. On SM's Vision, we released the trailer of The Heist. Do check it out. Links in description. And follow us on Instagram for recent updates. Subscribe to both SM's Vision and Symbiotic Scholars. Meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.